Hello, I am Dr. Chanchal Bhar, visiting dermatologist of Amri Hospital, Thakuria. Today I am going to talk about eczema flare-ups. Now first we should know what is eczema. Eczema is a condition where the patches of skin becomes inflamed or it become red, it become itchy, it becomes swollen, it may be cracked and rough, and sometimes there may be blisters also. Now there are different causes of eczema. There are various causes of eczemas are there. Any factor that disrupts the ability of the skin to act as an effective barrier can lead to the loss of moisturizer, causing dryness and the entry of various types of allergens, irritants and bacteria which can cause inflammation and infection. That means anything which causes the skin compromised, that can cause eczema. Now the potential causes of eczema are: it may be genetically determined, abnormal function of the immune system can be responsible, environment is very much responsible, activities that may cause skin to be more sensitive are also responsible for this, defects in the skin barrier that allow moisturizer out and jumps in, various endocrine disorder like hypothyroidism can also cause this type of skin dryness and eczema. Now various trigger factors are there for eczema. Number one is dry skin, because it make the skin brittle, it make the skin compromised. Emotional stress, that also can eczema flare up. Climate and sweating, prickly heat, all these can cause eczema flare up. Too hot or too humid climate is very much responsible for this type of eczema flares, mainly due to cooking. Irritants, certain substances are can trigger this eczema flare up, like soaps. Usually we are using like wools and polyester can also trigger this eczema. Eczema flare up due to cooking. Now long time standing and cooking in front of the fire can lead to flare up of eczema. The kitchen becomes hot and stuffy, leading to excessive sweat. Heavy sweating can lead to itchy skin and rashes. Wearing tight fitting clothes made up of polyester etc. can trigger itchiness and redness. Now how to prevent this? First we have to understand the triggering factors which will help in preventing the eczema. Implement of regular bathing and moisturizing routine can also prevent the eczema. Try not to scratch and rub the affected skin. Limit contact with materials or substances that irritates the skin. Dress in soft, breathable clothing and avoid itchy fabric like wool should be done. We should use the prescription medication consistently and as prescribed by the dermatologist. Watch for signs of infection on the skin. These are very, very important, which can prevent the flaring up of eczema. Now what is the treatment? Moisturizing immediately after washing or bathing is very, very important, because that can help in skin barrier function. Prescription medications from dermatologists like corticosteroids, topical drugs which act on the immune system to reduce the skin inflammation, and skin barrier creams. These medications help ease the redness, rash, dryness and itching also. In case of severe eczema, your dermatologist may prescribe a combination of topical and oral treatment also. So these are very important and you should follow the treatment which has been prescribed by your dermatologist. Don't go beyond this. Now, what are the moisturizers for eczema? Moisturizers help protect the outermost layer of the skin known as skin barrier. Apply a thick layer of moisturizer To lock in the moisturizer and to protect the skin barrier function, use fragrance and dye-free moisturizer. It should be also paraben-free. Soften the moisturizer by rubbing it between your hands and then apply it in your body using the palm in downward strokes. It should be used in downward strokes after rubbing it in between the palms. Avoid rubbing in the moisturizer by stroking up and down or in circles. Do not remove the excess moisturizer, it will be absorbed within a few seconds. Moisturize hands every time you wash them or when they come into the contact with water or soap. Nowadays it is very important that after using the sanitizer we should use the moisturizer. Ways to tackle the eczema flare-up due to cooking. Wear loose breathable fabrics in light color. If you work up a sweat, dry yourself or rinse off with fresh water. Do not be in the kitchen continuously, take breaks in between, as well as keep on air purifier the kitchen. After cooking, rinse off sweat, then apply moisturizer. This is very important. Drink sufficient amounts of water and do not stress yourself unnecessarily. These are the actual ways to tackle the eczema flare-up as well as to prevent the eczema. Thank you. I have given you a brief knowledge about the eczema and eczema flare-ups, but everybody should consult a dermatologist when there is a diagnosis of eczema. This is very much necessary, otherwise which may create some infection in the eczematous patches, and that can create much problem for the patient. Thank you. Now there is a question that what is eczema and dermatitis? Dermatitis is any inflammation of the skin is a dermatitis actually, and if it increases, it becomes too much of itchiness is there, redness is there, then it can be termed as eczema or eczematous condition. The skin where the skin becomes very dry. But the use of moisturizer, a good quality of moisturizer which is paraben free and the non-allergenic, hypoallergenic, that should be used. This is very important, and the right soap should be used. We should avoid the detergent soaps also. Eczema in winter should be avoided by using regular moisturizer and by using the soap which is a pH of 5.5. These two things should be maintained regularly. And if at all, if it is necessary, then we can use also corticosteroid locally to stop the eczema, cure the eczema. I think I have covered almost all the parameters and all the things about eczema. Thank you.